Hi everybody, welcome to Arts Art Crafts. Today we're going to use perler beads to make a nice Hello Kitty. Let's get right into this. Alright guys, now we're going to fuse these beads together. So we're going to put some parchment paper over top of it. And I'm going to take my hot iron. Now this iron is only to be used by adults because it is very hot and you don't want to burn your hands. Okay, so we're going to very gently and very quickly fuse these beads with the hot iron just until they're stuck together. If you've seen our other videos, this is pretty standard. This is what we do to make it into one solid piece. All right, now we're gonna let that cool off, and as soon as that happens, we're gonna take this paper off and we're gonna get Hello Kitty off the pegboard.
Okay, so now we're gonna take this parchment paper off of our little Hello Kitty, just like this. Should be pretty easy. It should look something like this. Okay, so this was my Hello Kitty. I had a ton of fun making it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. But can you do my dad and I a favor by going down below, hitting that like button and that subscribe button? It helps us out a ton. But until next time, this is me, this is Hello Kitty, and we're out. Peace.